Hi guys, welcome. Today we'll find out how to install packages in Python. And there are many packages in Python and one of them is CamelCase. We'll start up by opening our command prompt and start by typing py hyphen m then pip. And pip basically stands for Packages Management System, which basically manages Python packages. So if you want to install packages, you can just type install and then the name of the package. So I'll type camel case, hit enter, and then you will see that camel case has been successfully installed. We'll also uninstall the package, so for that I'll write py space hyphen m pip but uninstall, and the name of the package, that is camel case. Yeah, and I'll hit enter. And they're asking us if we want to uninstall the package, so we can hit Y, which means uninstall. Yeah, and hit enter. So you'll get a message that the camel case package has been uninstalled. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching and bye for now.